Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Land Cruiser 1998 to 2007? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse boxes. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Toyota Land Cruiser 1998 to 2003 protects essential interior circuits, including lighting, power accessories, and comfort systems. Its organized layout allows for easy identification and replacement of fuses, ensuring reliable operation of cabin electronics. The left-hand drive passenger compartment fuse box in the Toyota Land Cruiser 2003 to 2007 safeguards key interior electrical systems, including lighting, power windows, and accessory circuits. The right-hand drive passenger compartment fuse box in the Toyota Land Cruiser 2003 to 2007 protects essential interior circuits such as lighting, power accessories, and comfort systems. Engine compartment fuse boxes. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Land Cruiser 1998 to 2003 protects critical engine and vehicle systems, including the ignition, headlights, and cooling fans. Its organized layout allows easy access to fuses and relays, ensuring reliable operation and simplified maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Land Cruiser 2003 to 2007 safeguards vital engine and electrical circuits, including the ignition system, headlights, and cooling fans. Its structured layout ensures easy access for fuse and relay inspection, supporting reliable vehicle operation. The engine compartment fusible link block protects major electrical circuits by acting as a high-capacity fuse for critical systems. The engine compartment relay box in the Toyota Land Cruiser 1998 to 2007 houses essential relays that control major engine and vehicle systems. Types of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. While a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.